Today, I will tell you that how you can easily turn on sensitive content warning on your iPhone that is been updated to iOS 18. That's quite simple, interesting, and easy. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the settings of your iPhone. Then you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find privacy and security. You'll have to tap on privacy and security. Then you'll have to scroll down to the bottom, and right here you'll be able to find an option of sensitive content warning. You'll have to tap on it, and it will by default it will be turned off, and you can read the instructions below it. You can also tap on learn more, and it will take you to a browser. You'll have to go back and you'll have to turn this option on. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.